Hi viewers, welcome back. Friends, in this video, let's discuss most important previous exam bits asked in NEET examinations. So just concentrate on this video very carefully. Don't neglect each and every bit because every bit will decide your future and it can give you a good rank. So go through the video without skipping. Before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and after that press on bell icon, then share it to your friends and give your valuable comment. This is the third video from the topic Plant Kingdom. So let's have a glance over the topic now. Sperms of both Funaria and Pteris were released together near the archegonia of Pteris. Only its sperms enter the archegonia as Pteris archegonia repel Funaria sperms. Funaria sperms get killed by Pteris sperms. Funaria sperms are less mobile. Pteris archegonia release chemical to attract its sperms. Correct answer is option D. Pteris archegonia release chemical to attract its sperms. Evolutionary important character of Selaginella is heterosporous nature, rhizophore, strobili, ligule. Correct answer is option A, heterosporous nature. Which of the following statements is correct? Ovules are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperms. Selaginella is heterosporous while Salvinia is homosporous. Horsetails are gymnosperms. Stems are usually unbranched in both Cycas and Cedrus. Correct answer is option A. Ovules are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperms. Select the mismatch. Cycas dioecious, Salvinia heterosporous, Equisetum homosporous, Pinus dioecious. Correct answer is option D. Pinus dioecious. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of broad hardy leaves, superficial stomata, thick cuticle, presence of vessels. Correct answer is option C, thick cuticle. Select the correct statement. Sequoia is one of the tallest trees. The leaves of gymnosperms are not well adapted to extreme of climate. Gymnosperms are both homosporous and heterosporous. Salvinia, ginkgo and pinus are all gymnosperms. Correct answer is option A. Sequoia is one of the tallest trees. In which of the following gametophyte is not independent free living? Pteris, Pinus, Funaria, Marchantia. Answer is option B. Pinus. Read the following 5 statements A to E and select the option with all correct statements. Mosses and lichens are the first organisms to colonize a bare rock. Selaginella is a homosporous pteridophyte. Corallide roots in Cycas have VAM. Main plant body in bryophytes is gametophyte, whereas in pteridophytes it is sporophytic. In gymnosperms, male and female gametophytes are present within sporangia located on sporophyte. Correct answer is option A. A and D and E are the correct statements. Which one is a wrong statement? Haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperms. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin. Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and gymnosperms. Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. Correct answer is option D. Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. Read the following statements A to E and answer the questions which follows them. In liverworts, mosses and ferns, gametophytes are free living. Gymnosperms and some ferns are heterosporous. Sexual reproduction in Fucus volvox and albugo is oogamous. The sporophyte in liverworts is more elaborate than that in mosses. Both Pinus, Marchantia are dioecious. How many of the above statements are correct? 3, 4, 1, 2. Correct answer is option A, 3. What is common in all the three, Funaria, Dryopteris and ginkgo? Presence of archegonia, well-developed vascular tissues, independent gametophyte, independent sporophyte. Correct answer is option A, presence of archegonia. Which one of the following is a correct statement? Pteridophyte, gametophyte has a protonymal and leafy stage. In gymnosperms, female gametophyte is free living. Antheridiophores and archegoniophores are present in pteridophytes. Origin of seed habit can be traced in pteridophytes. Correct answer is option D. Origin of seed habit can be traced in pteridophytes. Cycas and Adiantum resemble each other in having seeds, motile sperms, cambium and vessels. Correct answer is option B, motile sperms. Read the following 5 statements A to E and answer as asked next to them. In equisetum, the female gametophyte is retained on the parent's sporophyte. In ginkgo, male gametophyte is not independent. The sporophyte in Rixia is more developed than that in Polytrichum. Sexual reproduction in volvox is isogamous. The spores of slime molds lack cell walls. How many of the above statements are correct? 2, 3, 4, 1. Correct answer is option D, 1. Examine the figures A, B, C and D. In which one of the 4 options all the items A, B, C and D are correct? Correct answer is option C. A indicates Selaginella, B indicates Equisetum, C indicates Salvinia, D indicates Ginkgo. Which one of the following is a vascular cryptogam? Ginkgo, Markantia, Cedrus, Equisetum. Correct answer is option D, Equisetum. In which one of the following male and female gametophytes do not have free-living independent existence? Polytrichum, Cedrus, Pteris, Funaria. Correct answer is option B, Cedrus. In gymnosperms, the pollen chamber represents a cavity in the ovule in which pollen grains are stored after pollination, an opening in the megagametophyte through which the pollen tube approaches the egg, the microsporangium in which pollen grains develop, a cell in the pollen grain in which the sperms are formed. Correct answer is option C, the microsporangium in which pollen grains develop. Flagellated male gametes are present in all the 3 of which one of the following sets? Gygnema, Saprolegnia, Hydrilla, Fucus, Marsilia and Calotropis, Rixia, Dryopteris and Cycas, Anthoceras, Funaria and Spirogyra. Correct answer is option C, Rixia, Dryopteris and Cycas. Which one of the following pairs of plants are not seed producers? Fern and Funaria, Funaria and Ficus, Ficus and Chlamydomonas, Funaria and Pinus. Correct answer is option A, Fern and Funaria. Which one of the following is a living fossil? Cycas, Moss, Saccharomyces, Spirogyra. Correct answer is option A, Cycas. Which one of the following is categorized under living fossils? Pinus, Cycas, Selaginella, Metasequoia. Correct answer is option B, Cycas. Cycas has 2 cotyledons but not included in angiosperms because of naked ovules, seems like monocot, circinate tixis, compound leaves. Correct answer is option A, naked ovules. In which of the following would you place the plants having vascular tissues lacking seeds? Pteridophytes, gymnosperms, algae, bryophytes. Correct answer is option A, pteridophytes. The endosperm of gymnosperm is diploid, polyploid, triploid, haploid. Correct answer is option D, haploid. Okay friends, I think you have understood all the bits very clearly. I'll upload one more video from the same topic, so keep watching my channel for regular updates for NEET previous bits. Thank you very much for watching.